What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Trading Crypto. Today we're over Goldfinch or GFI, which is down 4.9% at 499. We have a $356 million market cap, 71 million coins in circulation out of 114. Now, the all-time high in this coin was 2 years ago at 32.94. That's when it initially came out. I remember I made a video on this about 2 years ago, the day that it came out. It was kind of a rant, but we're not going to get into that right now. If you want to look for it, just look way back in the videos. But yeah, all-time high on this was when it came out 2 years ago. All-time low was 10 months ago. We're up 16x from our all-time low. Currently available on the following markets: Coinbase, BingX, Uniswap, BitGet, Gate.io, CoinEx, Maxi. So with that, let's get into the price prediction and technical analysis on GFI. All right, everyone. GFI has definitely broke out of its downtrend since initial inception in January 2022. You can't deny that here. The bottom is in right here. We've been putting in higher highs and higher lows since. So we got that out of the way. We are officially in a bull trend here for GFI. The only thing that I'm kind of seeing here right now for GFI is we're having a very difficult time breaking that $5 resistance area. If I draw resistance at $5, you can look in the past, that was a heavy resistance area once we fell below in 2022. And of course, it's a resistance area right now. Those round numbers usually are. On top of that, you got a double sell signal on the WTX with the RSI flashing overbought, the RSI showing kind of a double top that formed as well. We're starting to see a retracement there. MACD is losing its bullish momentum. The last 2 days have been lighter green, which shows bullish weakness. Now, what I currently can see happening here for GFI, if we draw the fib from the top to the bottom, is probably a retracement back down to the 618. I hate to say it. I hate to say it. I know we're in a bull market here, but look at the step up patterns that we've had. We hit the 618, consolidated. Hit the top, consolidated. And I think this is going to be the player here for GFI. Now, a little bit of hopium is you do have a 786 support in there at around 325. So we can't ignore that. So I would say the next stop will probably be around 325. I do think we are going to be heading down a little bit. Keep an eye on 325. If 325 breaks, 618 will be the bottom, and then we'll start to rally out of there to continue our bullish momentum that we had since June of 2023. See, that's where we bottom. We put in a high, low, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, and now we're either going to put in a higher low at the 786 or a higher low at the 618. So even though your coins will be retracing, it's not bearish. You've been in a bull trend since June of 2023 for this coin. It's just a slight correction. It happens to all coins, and it's actually beneficial for the coin. You don't want the coin to go up forever, because if it goes up forever, you run out of moon juice and you just start free falling. So in the meantime, I think this might be the last small correction for GFI until we get into the fun part of the bull run. And I think the fun part of the bull run, we can be looking for a possibly $50, back to the all-time high, a $50 GFI for a bull run top. So that's something we'll keep a close eye on, as well as the 1618 from the bull or from the bear market bottom to the current high. And then some people do it from the initial high to the bottom, which if you did that, if you did that, it's saying your all-time high could be around 941. But I'm not going to go off that because that's the initial coin price right there. We don't really have prior data, so we're going to go off our current high here, and we're going to be relatively conservative and say that the bull run high here is going to be $50. Could it be higher than that? Absolutely, absolutely it can, but we're just going to be conservative and we'll take it day by day. Just in the short term right now, keep an eye on the 786 retracement at around 350. If we break below that, the bottom will be the 618 at $2. After that, we should be seeing a considerable rally to the upside, most likely bringing us to that 1236 area at around 14. And then we can start floating ideas around it going up to 50 from that point on. With that, none of this is financial advice. And if there's any coins you'd like me to chart, you can just send me a super chat in the comments and I'll get to your coin as soon as possible. Thank you.